Why do people sneeze?
Sneezing can occur due to many different reasons, such as respiratory infections, allergies, or nasal congestion. Sneezing is a natural reflex movement of the body to clear the respiratory tract. Respiratory infections or allergies can irritate the nerve endings inside the nose. Sneezing helps the body to expel foreign particles. By rapidly expelling air from the nose, sneezing also reduces inflammation in the nose, throat, and sinuses and clears mucus from the respiratory tract. Therefore, the purpose of sneezing is to protect and cleanse the body's respiratory system. So sneezing isn't bad, is it?